Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers and the viewers commenting or liking my video. So today it is a very interesting question from Fibonacci sequence, how to find the sum of infinite terms. Evaluate sum of n equals to 2 to infinity fn over fn minus 1 multiplies fn plus 1. So given that fn be the Fibonacci sequence, f1 equals to 1, f2 is also 1, and fn plus 1 equals to fn plus fn minus 1. So writing this summation n equals to 2 to infinity fn over fn minus 1 into fn plus 1, I'll write this in two series. It will be fn plus 1 over fn minus 1 into mn plus 1 minus fn minus 1 over mn minus 1 into fn plus 1. Because I'm using this one, f of n plus 1 minus fn minus 1 equals to fn. So now simplifying, first one is these two will be cancelled. It will be 1 over fn minus 1 minus, here this one will cancel, 1 over fn plus 1. Now we'll take the telescopic sum. So here I'm writing this summation of n equals to 2 to infinity f of fn by fn minus 1 into fn plus 1 equals to nothing but your limit n tends to infinity, n equals to n equals to small n equals to 2 to n fn over fn minus 1 and fn plus 1. So this summation of n equals to 2 to infinity n over fn minus 1 into fn plus 1 is nothing but your limit tends to infinity. The summation n equals to 2 to n 1 over fn minus 1 minus 1 over fn plus 1. Next I will put n equals to 1. N equals to 2. We'll start from n equals to 2. N equals to 3, 4 up to n. The values will be limit n tends to infinity. It will be 1 over first f1 minus 2 plus 1 equals to 3, f3. And when I'll put n equals to 3, it will be plus f2, 3 minus 1, 2, and here it will be 3 plus 1, f4. Next, when I'll put n equals to 4, it will be f3 minus 1 over f5, so on. and last will be your f5. This is f5. This will be minus f n minus 1 is f n plus 1. So you can see the series here. This 2 will be cancelled. f4 will be certainly cancelled here. So this one will also cancel. So what we'll get? We'll get, this is same as limit n tends to infinity, 1 over f1 plus 1 over f2. So it is given that f1 is 1, so it will be 1 by 1, and f2 is also 1, because in the Fibonacci series it will be 1, 1, so on. Then next is 3, 2, the next is 3, so on. So it will be 2. So the sum of n equals to 2 to infinity f n over f n minus 1 f n plus 1 equals to 2. Now you can try a sum. It is your assignment, or you can question for practice. Or if you test your understanding, n equals to 2 to evaluate infinity 1 over f n minus 1. Thank you for watching, and write in the comment section if you are able to solve it.